stop scrolling for a second, because what I am about to tell you might just change how you spend every single evening for the next 5 years. The wait is finally over, and Apple has once again managed to do what it does best. They have quietly stepped into a space that everyone thought was already good enough and completely redefined what the future looks like. Apple just unveiled its latest Apple TV 4K, and while at first glance it might look like another small black box destined to sit silently next to your television, the reality is far more dramatic. This is not just a streaming device refresh. This is Apple fundamentally rethinking what home entertainment means in an era where speed, intelligence, immersion, and privacy all matter more than flashy buzzwords. Imagine sitting down on your couch after a long day. You have the remote in hand, and instead of waiting for apps to load, streams to buffer, or quality to adjust, everything simply works instantly. It works flawlessly in exactly the way you want it to. That is the experience Apple is promising here, and shockingly, they seem to have delivered. While the tech world has been distracted by iPhones, MacBooks, and AI software announcements, Apple has been working behind the scenes at Apple Park with a singular focus: eliminate every frustration people have learned to tolerate in modern streaming. Engineers pushed late into the night, refining silicon, optimizing software, and testing edge cases that most companies simply ignore. The result is a device so powerful and efficient that it feels almost absurd when you remember how small it is. This new Apple TV 4K isn't just incrementally faster than the last generation. It operates on a completely different level. Apple's custom silicon brings console-class performance into a form factor smaller than most external hard drives, delivering processing power that allows the system to analyze video streams in real time. It optimizes every frame and adapts dynamically to your network conditions. Buffering isn't just reduced. It is essentially erased from the experience. Picture quality doesn't dip when the action gets intense, and resolution doesn't suddenly collapse during dark scenes. The moment you press play, content starts instantly at the highest possible quality, as if the device somehow knew what you were about to watch before you did. That is where Apple's machine learning approach comes into play. It learns your habits, your preferences, and your typical viewing patterns. This isn't to spy on you, but to improve performance locally on the device itself. Shows you tend to watch in the evening are preloaded in advance. Genres you frequently explore are prioritized. Even audio profiles subtly adjust based on your environment and past behavior. It is personalization without intrusion, intelligence without unease. Then there is the visual experience, which goes beyond just 4K as a marketing term. Apple's neural image processing enhances contrast, clarity, and color reproduction frame by frame. Dark scenes reveal detail without washing out shadows, while bright scenes remain vibrant without feeling harsh or artificial. It is like having a professional colorist adjusting your content live as you watch. The audio experience matches that ambition. Through advanced spatial audio processing and computational sound design, borrowed from Apple's work with AirPods, this tiny box can simulate surround sound in a way that genuinely tricks your brain. Even if you're only using your TV's built-in speakers, dialogue feels anchored to the screen. Ambient noises seem to come from around the room, and action sequences gain weight and presence that makes dedicated soundbars feel suddenly less essential. And just when you think that would be enough, Apple pushes further into gaming territory, an area few expected them to take this seriously. This Apple TV 4K supports console-level games. Not watered-down mobile ports, but graphically rich, fully immersive titles developed in collaboration with major studios. Paired with responsive controllers and low-latency performance, it turns your living room into a legitimate gaming setup capable of competing with dedicated consoles, especially for users already invested in Apple's ecosystem. The remote itself reflects Apple's obsession with detail. It isn't merely a tool for changing channels. It is an extension of the experience. It features touch-sensitive surfaces, precise motion sensors, and pressure inputs that make navigation feel intuitive rather than clumsy. And in a moment of simple brilliance, Apple built in a system to locate the remote when it inevitably disappears into couch cushions, solving one of those everyday annoyances no other company ever bothered to fix properly. The ecosystem integration is where the Apple TV 4K truly separates itself from rivals. Your iPhone instantly becomes a controller, keyboard, or personal audio output. AirPods connect automatically for late-night viewing without disturbing anyone. Macs mirror content seamlessly. Apple Watches can control playback or volume from across the room. It all happens without setup, without configuration menus, without friction. Everything simply recognizes everything else, forming a unified experience that feels less like a collection of devices and more like a single coherent system. Privacy, as expected, is baked deeply into this vision. Apple has made it clear that your viewing habits belong to you, not advertisers or analytics firms. Data processing happens on-device where possible, preferences are encrypted, and your entertainment history isn't quietly sold to the highest bidder. In an industry where user data has become currency, this commitment stands out as both rare and increasingly valuable. The app experience completes the picture. Every major streaming platform feels faster, smoother, and more responsive on this hardware. Netflix launches instantly. Disney Plus streams at peak quality without hesitation. And Apple TV Plus content feels designed specifically to showcase what the device can do. Smart home integration adds yet another dimension, turning the Apple TV into a control hub for lighting, security cameras, thermostats, and more, all accessible without ever leaving your seat. It is entertainment and home management converging in a way that feels natural instead of forced. Perhaps most impressive is how the device handles multi-user households, supporting multiple simultaneous streams across different devices without breaking a sweat. Families can watch completely different content at the same time, all powered by one central unit, eliminating the need for complex setups or additional hardware. Accessibility features further reinforce Apple's commitment to inclusive design, offering adaptive subtitles, advanced audio descriptions, color filters, and interface adjustments that genuinely enhance usability rather than feeling like afterthoughts. Even the setup process reflects Apple's obsession with simplicity. Bring your iPhone close, tap once, and everything transfers over automatically. Within seconds of unboxing, you're watching content with all your preferences already in place. Price is the final unexpected twist. Despite the sheer level of technology packed inside, Apple has priced this Apple TV 4K competitively, undercutting expectations and delivering value that makes many rival devices feel overpriced by comparison. Add to that Apple's environmental commitments with recycled materials, low power consumption, and carbon-neutral manufacturing, and the device feels engineered not just for performance, but for responsibility. Early reviewers, including those traditionally skeptical of Apple hype, are calling this one of the most meaningful upgrades in years, praising its speed, fluidity, and long-term potential. And with future software updates promising features that verge on science fiction, from real-time translation to advanced interactive content, it is clear this device isn't just built for today's living room, but for tomorrow's vision of what entertainment can be. In the end, the new Apple TV 4K isn't simply an upgrade or a spec bump. It is a statement. It is a reimagining of the role a streaming device plays in daily life. Faster, smarter, more immersive, more private, and more seamless than anything before it. This tiny box proves that the biggest revolutions don't always arrive with loud announcements. Sometimes they just quietly change everything while you are busy deciding what to watch next. If you like the video, subscribe, share the video, and hit the bell icon like that. And let me know in the comments, is this the upgrade you have been waiting for, or are you sticking with your current setup? Personally, I think the spatial audio features alone make this a must-buy for anyone who loves movies but hates complicated speaker wires. Thanks for watching.